HealthSonics is a Canadian AI company specialized in health and safety. And here at Collision, we're here to present our first product, which is a lifeguard robot called LISA, standing for Life-Saving Assistant. So the way LISA works is that through breakthrough AI, ultrasound systems, cameras, you detect the person that is drowning and actually dive to the person and bring the person to water surface. So basically this is a lifeguard robot. We had a lot of interaction with people that were interested in our idea and the project and the product as well, and potential investors and customers as well. This is a patent pending product, and so we have a US provisional patent, and we hope to go to market by the end of the summer 2019. And the intention is to be selling the product to private swimming pool owners and commercial swimming pools, so motels and hotels.
We did some studying on this, and there are a lot of drowning detection systems on the market, but they actually move the problem to you being in time for doing the rescue. So instead we tried to solve the whole issue and actually rescue the person that's drowning. This current version dives 3 meters, this prototype, and we expect the next generation prototypes, or maybe our first production models, to dive around 10 meters deep. And this is purely from cost perspective. We can also make devices that go a lot deeper. Well, my partner is a doctor and she is confronted with this a lot. And together we decided to do something about the detection, and we studied systems on the market. And then we actually realized that these systems still leave people very worried. So that's when we decided to try and solve the whole issue. Drowning happens in 4 stages, and we try to detect this as early as possible. And that's usually when the people are already going below the surface. This happens quite quickly, between 1 and 2 minutes. And our robot can then deploy in around a minute to the person. So it's a lot quicker than for example, emergency services could do.